Hey Esther, are you not happy about this? Yeah, I'd be unhappy too. Little goat. Alright, now, wow, that is unbelievably deep. You can see it's even flowing over from the field right down into what's usually our tiny little run. And this is right up close to the edge now. Supposedly the rain is supposed to wrap up in the next few hours. Unbelievable. So it's just kind of sitting down here. And it is almost up to the big tree. There's the edge of the water. There's the big tree. It's not up to the chairs yet. And that is the normally very meandering creek. There's no islands. And that water is moving fast. So, if that's all the higher we're going to go, then it looks like the goats were okay. So we made it up to almost the honeysuckle bush, but we've still got a substantial amount of space left before it gets real bad. You can kind of see the water flowing from the neighbor's field there. The bright stuff, that is all water. That is normally never there. Hi, Mama. You enjoying your house? Hey, goat. Hey, goat. Hey, goat. Good for you to get out. Esther May, you'll be just fine. Look at that. Clouds are even starting to break. Wonder what that truck's doing up there. We'll go take a look. So, unbelievable. Right up to the corner there.